Hi guys. So I just want to go over dividing a whole number by a decimal. I just wanted to say that you're all doing a great job, and me and Miss Parr have been looking over your answers and all the work that you're doing, and it really shows what amazing students you are, and we're both so proud of you. So I just want to go over a problem from Friday. So the problem was 12 divided by 4/10. I see how we're having a little bit of difficulties with the division of decimals, which is completely understandable. So I just want to show you a trick that could help you understand it better or have a better concept on the division of decimals. So if you could follow along with me in a notebook or on a piece of paper, whatever you're more comfortable with, and just copy as I'm writing. So we're going to do 12 divided by 4/10. To make this simpler, we want to create two whole numbers that would give us the same answer as 12 divided by 4/10. Now, it's not very easy to just come up at the top of our head. So how we're going to do this is we're going to move the decimal point. So in both of these numbers, we're going to move the decimal point one place value to the right. So we're going to start with the number 4 since it's in the tens place, and we're going to move it one place value to the right to make it the whole number 4. And we're actually going to do the same thing to 12. One place value to the right. We're going to make it a bigger number, 120. So both of our numbers are becoming one place value larger. And just like in fractions, when we divide or multiply fractions, whatever we do to one number, we have to do to the other. So the same rule applies here. So we took the decimal place, moved it 1 to the right, and we're going to take the decimal and move it 1 to the right for both numbers. So now we have the division problem 120 divided by 4, which should be much easier for us to solve. So you can solve this using partial quotients or long division, whichever would be easier for you, and then do that now in your free time. And you can pause the video if you need. And then our answer would be 30. So 30 is not just our answer for 120 divided by 4, but it is also our answer for 12 divided by 4/10. Because 4/10 goes into 12 30 times, as well as 4 goes into 120 30 times. So that is our answer for both. So this is a trick to remember when we're dividing a whole number by a decimal. I want you to remember that when we're dividing a whole number by a decimal, it is different than when we're dividing a decimal by a decimal or a decimal by a whole number. So don't forget that.